Do you want to create this type of horizontal slider? I will show you how to make this type of horizontal slider in WordPress Elementor using simple CSS code and GSAP. Don't worry, this code link I will give in the description. So let's create this slider. So at first you need to create a page in your WordPress site. So let's see, I click horizontal page. Then you can click edit with Elementor. So at first you just click this plus icon and select flexbox and select first container. Then here in the width section you add full width, it's 100%, and the minimum height will be VH. Then the height will be 100. And go down, you can see the gaps option. You need to unlink this and go advanced. You need to unlink both like padding and margin. Then you need to add this section class. So I will just add my class here. Then again click this plus icon and add another container. This container with full width and 100%, and the minimum height same will be VH and 100, and the gaps unlink. Go advanced and padding and margin unlink and put their class here, the class. And also you can rename this container, then you can understand easily. That's great. So now you want to add the sliding container, like how many content you want to add here. It's automated sliding. Okay, so let's see. I just copy my design container, so I just paste here. So you just create your own copy. Okay, this is our first panel, so I just rewrite the name. Then I need to add the class. Go here, and this is the class. Okay, then I again duplicate. That's it. Okay, so now you just change the design. So I add basically this background on this panel, and the cover, and the panel 2. Delete the sliding effects, classic icon, and choose your existing images. Center, attachment scroll, no repeat, and the size will be covered. And the third panel, same thing. Cover. So just now I just change the name. Okay, awesome. Click the scroll container and click add elements. Here you simply search HTML, then just click that and copy your GSAP code and paste here, and again go scroll container, go advanced. By the way, you need to use here Elementor Pro. If you have no Elementor Pro, then you need to add this custom CSS code by appearance, customize, then additional CSS options. Then click custom CSS, copy your CSS code, then place here. That's it. Then you just click publish and click preview. Then if I scroll down, here you can see the horizontal slider, it's working perfectly. And if I go up, then again you can see. If you want to reduce the duration time sliding or increase, then you just go again your page, then click the scroll container, then click HTML, then just go down. Here you can see scrap, so you need to just increase or reduce the number. So let's say I want to add 0.5, then again publish, then again I just reload this page, then let's see how it looks. Yes, perfect. If you enjoy this video, you can like it to get more video like that. And don't worry about the code, I will already give you the code link in the description box. So see you in the new video.